So the final step in configuring our app is setting up a bottom tab bar. And this is a super useful feature within the app that will allow users to easily navigate to key pages. And I'm going to show you how to set it up. I've actually pre-configured most of the features here to make this efficient, but the first thing we need is to click active so that the bottom tab bar is always on display. In the styling section, I have configured all the colors to align with the app's brand identity, similar to the splash screen and top navigation bar. And so if we go further down here, you see that we also have a visual editor for the bottom tab bar. And I've already preset the sections and For You button, but I want to add a custom icon for this first button here, and I'll show you exactly how that's done. So if you click in here, you can see I can change the URL, I'll change the label to today, and then I'm going to add a custom icon. So if you remember back to the top navigation, I added an account button, and you would have seen our icon library then. So to import your own image, you'll need to have an image in an SVG file. So I've pre-configured and stylized an M logo for Mobile Daily in the SVG format. So if I click Manage Custom Icons here, I can easily import that file into the app builder. And just like that, I have my Mobile Daily M added into the bottom tab bar. So let's see how this all looks together. We've now fully configured the app, so I'll click Save Changes and we'll do one final review.